Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish using cloth. First, gather your materials. You'll need fabric scraps, a sharp pair of scissors, a needle, thread, and some soft stuffing. Selecting your fabric is fun. Cotton or felt works wonderfully. Make sure your main fabric pieces are at least 6 by 12 inches to create a nicely sized fish. Let's get started on this creative project. Now, let's cut out our fish shape. Fold your chosen fabric in half, then carefully draw the outline of a fish on one side. Remember, this will be the body. Use your scissors to cut precisely along the line you've drawn. This method ensures you get 2 perfectly identical fish shapes. You can also cut out separate pieces for fins or a tail if you want more intricate details. Next, we'll sew the fish body together. Place your 2 fabric fish pieces with their right sides facing each other. Carefully sew around the edges, leaving a small opening of about 2 inches. This gap is crucial for turning the fish right side out and adding the stuffing later. A simple straight stitch, about 1/4 inch from the edge, works perfectly for this step. Finally, it's time to bring your fish to life. Carefully turn your sewn fish right side out through the opening you left. Now, begin to fill it firmly with your chosen stuffing until it feels nice and plump. Once it's stuffed to your liking, hand sew the opening closed using a neat slip stitch. You've just created a charming cloth fish, ready for display or play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.